Hey friends, if you wish to fix Intel Unison not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Unison in the Windows search bar and click on App Settings in the right pane. Okay, now scroll down and terminate the process. Then click on Repair and let it repair. Wait for a few seconds. If that doesn't help, then you click on the Reset button and reset it, and then let it reset, and finally you'll get the tick mark here. If that doesn't help either, then uninstall it and uninstall it once again. Now this time don't install it from the website, but search for store in the Windows search bar and open store. Search for Unison in the search bar on the Microsoft Store and go to that page and click on install to reinstall it on your system from the right location. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.